Hi everyone, and welcome back to another ITWeb unboxing. Today we have another foldable for you, which is the Honor Magic V2. Now this is Honor's first foldable here in South Africa. As you can see, the phone is super thin. I think it's probably one of the thinnest foldables in the world right now. It's super thin, and Honor has said that the battery is quite thin as well, almost the size of a credit card. Now, whereas with all foldables, the first thing we always check is the grid here in the middle to see if you can feel it when you're running your finger across the dual screens. And I must say, so far Huawei probably has the best non-existing grid that you can feel in the middle, but Honor has really done an amazing job with this. You can barely feel it, and once your phone is unfolded, it really does feel like it is just one convenient screen. So that's amazing. The phone runs on an Android 13 system, which is the current Android Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and it has its own operating system, which is Magic OS. So that's Honor's own in-house developed OS system, so you can find that on the phone, and that gives you a multitude of things. It's got an assistant that you can have here on your phone called Yo-Yo. As you can see, Yo-Yo here. Yo-Yo helps you with a multitude of things. You can have Yo-Yo suggestions, which suggests apps and other recommendations that align with your habits and your phone algorithm. It also has a magic text feature where in any picture or any document, you can sort of click on the text, hold down, and it will extract the text for you. So that makes it easy for things like copying. You know how hard it is to copy a message from one platform to another, but with Yo-Yo, you can definitely do that. I think one of my drawbacks from the phone is that when it is unfolded, looks great, but it is quite a mission to sort of swipe up and open it. Unlike most phones, if you double tap the screen or swipe up instantly, it will just open. But with the Honor, you have to click on the button, then you can swipe up and then obviously enter your PIN, or if you like, you use your fingerprint, and it does also have facial recognition. Now, in terms of what we're all here for, which is the cameras, it's got 15 megapixels, another 15 and a 12 megapixel camera here at the back, and of course a wide lens and a 4K camera. I know 4K isn't as great these days compared to the other foldables like your Samsungs, which has an 8K camera, but I still think it is pretty good. And in the front, you have a 12 megapixel selfie camera, which is standard for most smartphones these days. In terms of how the phone compares to other foldables, I mean, we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5, we're looking at Oppo's flip phone, and the Huawei Mate X3. The Honor is definitely out of the top three, which is Samsung, Huawei, and this one. I think the Honor is probably comes in top when it comes to price range. It is the cheapest one out of them all. It's going to range at around 40,000 rands, so it is still a bit pricey, but still affordable compared to the Samsung, which is around 45,000 if you go for the 512 gigabytes. But this one comes standard with 512 gigabytes, so that's amazing. And it's not the cheapest one. I mean, that still is the Oppo Flip, but in terms of the foldables, it is cheaper. It is much cheaper than Samsung and Huawei. So the phone is amazing. I think it works amazing. It is quite a basic Android phone, but I mean, sometimes that is all you need. Some of the accessories that it comes with, it comes in an amazing, beautiful box here that Honor sent to us, and the accessories are all in here that you need. Would I invest in this phone? I think if you're willing to invest in a really good basic foldable phone that'll give you all the things that you want in a smartphone these days, then yeah, totally. And it'll probably go much cheaper on a contract as well. But if you are looking for the best of the best, I still think that the Samsung works a little bit faster than this one, and the Huawei probably just looks a little bit better. But it's a great effort from Honor, and I can't wait to see what they do next. So thank you guys for joining me for another unboxing. It's been amazing, And remember to like, share, and post our videos, and we'll see you next time.